Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the RENPHO Smart Bathroom Scale. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a Bluetooth Smart Digital Bathroom Scale. And here are some of its technical specifications. So it does have a maximum weighing limit of 180 kilograms or 396 pounds. And it has a resolution of 50 grams or 0.2 pounds. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. By of course pulling these two tabs down and flipping up the box flap. And let's slide the inner packaging out and checking to make sure that there's nothing else left behind. We can set the box to the side right there. And now let's open up this inner box by of course removing the cling wrap that's keeping it nicely packaged. And then popping off this protective cardboard here. And we can put that to the side and let's spin the box around and you can see the RENPHO Smart Bathroom Scale there, sitting nicely and packaged nicely as well. Let's pop it out very carefully from the box tray there. And once again, checking through to make sure that there's nothing else left behind in the rest of the packaging. And once we've checked that, we can set that to the side. And then just setting the contents across the tabletop so you have a nice good look and view of what we've just removed from the RENPHO Smart Bathroom Scales packaging. Okay, so flipping the scale around, you can see there are some items that are packaged together. Let's go ahead and slide them out and set them on the tabletop for now, and then we'll arrange them neatly. And of course removing the clear plastic wrapper and making sure that it is safely stowed away from children or toddlers. And there we go. And just making some quick adjustments. Setting the scale somewhere around the middle of the frame right there. And then setting the rest of the contents in the frame right there, so neatly arranged so you can see what's been included in the box packaging. So let's start off by first taking a look at this card here. So this appears to be a member program card with some contact details as well for support. And taking a look at the back, there are some social media links and details for RENPHO. Okay, so we're going to set the card down to the side. And then moving on to the next item, we do have the RENPHO Smart Scales booklet or user manual. So giving you a look to see just how thick it is and doing a quick flip through. So there we go. So it is a user manual for the scale, but they're usually quite simple to operate. If you've seen my previous unboxings of other RENPHO Smart Bathroom Scales, you'll see that they are extremely easy to use and set up. just doing a quick flip through for your reference. So the Smart Scale works with the RENPHO app, which is completely free, and you can download it for your iPhone or Android smartphone. Okay, so the rest of the user manual is in other languages. So we can now set that down right there perhaps. And then moving on, we see that the scale comes included with a micro USB charging cable, because this scale does come with a built-in battery. Rechargeable, of course. So right there, the micro USB charging cable to the Smart Scale. Okay, so we're going to set this down as well. Right there. And then moving on to the main event, which is the Smart Scale itself. So it does have a tempered glass surface, and this scale measures 11 inches by 11 inches, so it is square in shape, and it's about an inch thick as well. And once again, it does have a maximum weighing limit of 180 kilograms or 396 pounds. So this is towards the medium to large size among the many RENPHO Smart Scales. And it does measure using the electrodes located across or on these 4 points of the scale, and it measures 13 types of biodata. Okay, so giving you a nice close-up look right there. You can see that it is a black and dark grey colored scale with, of course, the round stainless steel electrodes, where it uses bioimpedance analysis to measure your health stats. So taking a look at the underside, you can see right there the 4 sensors at the corner of the scale, and a reset button as well, and some very fine print right there with some specifications of the RENPHO Smart Bathroom Scale. Okay, so giving you a nice good look all around. And let me just move that rechargeable cable right there to the left hand side of the frame, so everything's nice and in clear view of the frame. And of course, it does have an LED screen there, a digital LED screen. So a really pretty scale, and size-wise, of course, right there, and setting it in the middle of the frame, placing my hand on it to give you some sense of the size and scale of this digital bathroom scale by RENPHO. Okay, so now let's go ahead and turn it on, of course, by pressing down on that reset button and see if it starts up. You can see digits flash right there, and right there you can see the red LED display showing 000 and in kilograms right now. So of course The scale can work on its own just to measure your weight, but if you want the further data, 13 types of data, you'll have to use the free RENPHO app. And you can also use the app to change the measuring units from kilograms to pounds as well. Okay, so over here I have a Sony Xperia XZ3 smartphone, Android smartphone, which I've unboxed before on the channel. And once again, it's in the case collection, slim TPU brushed carbon fiber case, also which I've unboxed before. So now let's go ahead and go into the phone. And of course, start the RENPHO app, so you can always download that for free. And then confirm to turn on Bluetooth, and let's add a new scale. So right there, device management, and let's just pick one of these scales. That should be fine, I reckon. Let's see if we can do that. Maybe not. Let's go ahead and tap on that. And it's asking us to step on the scale just to wake it up so that it can pair with the RENPHO Smart Scale. So I'm just going to turn the scale slightly at an angle so that you can see what's going on the display. Okay, so let's try again by tapping search again. And you can see that it has detected the scale, or at least some activity, via Bluetooth from the scale to the phone. Of course, my weight is showing as well. And let's now tap. And has it paired? And it has paired, as you can see. It's just updating the data right now, and it's also showing the battery level as well. So let's do that again. I'm assuming that it has paired successfully. So let's set the smartphone down. And stepping on the scale. And there we go. You can see that weight of 78.5 kilograms on the scale being recorded against the RENPHO app that's showing on the smartphone. And now I'll just give you a quick look at the app. You can always refer to my other RENPHO unboxings. But now I'm just going to show you the kind of stats that it measures, so you can see all the different bioimpedance analysis data that it has gathered. But obviously you need to be standing on the scale with your feet bare in order for this or these sets of data to be measured. Of course, you can see the trends as well for the different types of measurement data right there. So nicely charted, of course. So nice good look at the different sets of data over different periods of time right there in calendar view. So it's always there for your reference and tracking, and it also works with other smart devices as well to track your fitness data. And you can use it with various members of the household as well. So you can always measure the progress with your friends and family. So that's the RENPHO app right there, and let's measure it one more time. So stand on the scale again, put the charger right there, or the charging cable, and give you another look at the scale so you can see the micro USB charging port right there at the top of the scale, just above the screen. And just going to set the phone to the side right there. So nice, good look. And let's go back at the RENPHO Smart Digital Scale and the app as well. So I'm just going to set it down so you have a complete view of the smart scale along with the RENPHO app that's showing on the smartphone. So once again, I'm going to measure one more time by standing on the scale so you can see the weight being recorded from the digital smart scale onto the smartphone RENPHO app. So right there, once again, it's recorded my weight of 78.45 along with the other sets of health data right there. So that's the RENPHO Smart Bathroom Scale. Thanks for watching and happy measuring!